Many thanks to visit Michelin Starlight YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I would like to show you to making cavring bread. Very delicious bread. That is easy and quick to make. It is made with 4 different spices. The molasses give it a sweet taste. Perfect bread for a gourmet restaurant. These basic ingredients will be needed to make the bread. 2,800 grams wheat flour, 1,200 grams rye flour, 4,000 grams buttermilk, 1,200 grams dark syrup, 80 grams sea salt, 80 grams baking powder, 48 grams baking soda, 100 grams fennel, 100 grams anise, 60 grams cumin seeds. First step, grind the fennel, anise, sea salt, baking powder, baking soda in a thermomixer on maximum speed for at least 3 minutes. If you do not have a thermomixer, you can also use a mortar. Second step, mix the wheat flour and rye flour. Sift the flour through a large sieve. Add the spices and cumin seeds. Mix the dry ingredients softly together. Step 3. Mix the dark syrup and buttermilk. I always use full-fat buttermilk. You can also use 30% yogurt. I always use the golden syrup brand from dark syrup. Mix the liquid with a soft whisk. It is beautiful when the 2 colors mix together. In these little things you can also find the beauty of your job. For a tenth of a second, it's like an art. Fourth step. Gently mix the liquid with dry materials. Always mix the ingredients by hand, never use an robotic machine. Soda breads should be homogenized very loosely. Step 5. The dough is formed into a silicone mold with a piping bag. Put some of the cumin seeds and sea salt on top. Bake at 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. The internal temperature is 92 degrees Celsius. Baking time is 12 minutes. After baking, drush it with melted butter. Very delicious, soft, sweet, spicy bread. If you want to download the recipe, you can find it on Facebook in the Michelin Starlight group. Go to the files and download the recipe files for free. You can find plenty of free ideas in the Michelin Starlight online recipe book. Finally, I want to show you my city, Sopron. It is a small historic town only an hour away from Vienna, the capital of Austria. It is located in a beautiful natural setting at the foot of the Alps. This settlement is rich in architectural heritage. Beautiful streets, old town, nice people, renovated fire tower, hundreds of years old. Churches, good restaurants and the best wines. If you are visiting Hungary or traveling to Vienna, please spend a weekend in Sopron. Visit our restaurants and patisseries or go hiking in the mountains. I can be the tour guide.